How to cancel JustFit subscription. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now, go ahead and open this option, Subscriptions. In this page, you will be able to find different sections. Under Active Subscription, you will find the option of JustFit. Click on it. You'll find the details of your subscription. Along with that, you will get the option of Cancel Subscription. Click on that. You'll get the pop-up, Confirm Cancellation. Click on Confirm. With that, you have just cancelled the subscription for your JustFit account. Now you won't be charged anymore. And the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the JustFit app or account will not cancel your subscription. And subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. As of right now, I don't have any ongoing subscription, so it is showing nothing in this page. But in the case you do have subscription, it will appear in this page, and following the steps you can easily cancel the subscription. Well, this is how you can easily cancel JustFit subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.